Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Shrim Institute of Professional Development, I would like to welcome you in today's free online awareness session on UML use case diagrams. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language, and in UML we are having total 9 diagrams, 5 static and 4 dynamic diagrams. These 5 static diagrams are use case, class, component, deployment, and package, whereas 4 dynamic diagrams are activity, sequence, state chart, and collaboration. Our today's session is on use case diagrams. Your use case diagrams are high-level diagrams. With the help of use case diagram, we are going to identify the user requirements. Use case diagrams are based on actor specific. So here we are having 2 types of actors, primary and secondary actors. Your primary actor is an actor for whom we are going to develop this new system. A secondary actor is going to support the application that we are going to develop. So your secondary actors are going to be the printer, legacy database, financial clearinghouse, email server, SMS gateway, all are considered as a secondary actor. Now we are going to work on a case study for which we are going to prepare a use case diagram. The case study is on electronic health record maintenance system, which is going to be used by a hospital. So in this hospital, the patients are going to visit the hospital in emergency, OPD, and for routine checkup. So the receptionist is going to record the patient details based on the purpose of their visit. She will then check the availability of the doctor and allocate the doctor according to the patient's illness. The doctor will check up the patient, and based on the illness of the patient, he will prescribe a medicine and test to the patient. On doctor's advice, the patients will be admitted in the hospital and the receptionist will allocate room to the patients. The patients will conduct tests from the hospital lab and collect medicines from the hospital pharmacy. Your receptionist will complete the patient discharge formalities and will collect all the fees, okay, medical bills in form of consultation fee, lab fee, and the pharma fee, The accounts department of the hospital will manage the staff salary, and the inventory department of the hospital will update the equipment stock and the medicine stock. Now in the given case study, the primary actors are receptionist, doctor, pharmacist, laboratory, accounts department, and your inventory department. We'll prepare this diagram with the help of Visio tool. So firstly, you need to go to File, New. We are having replica tools also that are available in the market, your draw.io, lucid charts, through which you can create these diagrams. And these are the symbols and notations on the left side you can see are available. Firstly, always make a habit of using system boundaries. So this tool is very simple tool, user-friendly tool, simple drag and drop interface is there. So firstly, you are going to select system boundary and you are going to drag and drop it on the canvas. Secondly, you are going to give the name of the application. So we are going to, on your left side, you will be having a primary actor. So your receptionist is going to perform the actions. So what actions the receptionist is going to perform? Firstly, she is going to enter the patient details. And this is called communication. So you're going to remove this end 1 and 2. Comes by default. And your receptionist is going to enter the patient details based on their visit, purpose of visit. Routine checkup. So we are going to give extend. So in the next class, we will be talking about when we are going to use extend. So there are many relationships that are there in the use case diagrams, like your includes, extends, journalization, use case journalization, and actor journalization. So all these are optional. So we are going to give extends, and once the receptionist has entered the patient details, she is going to allocate the doctor. After doctor allocation, she is going to allocate room. She is going to perform patient discharge formalities with the help of system. She will be allocating room to the patient on the advice of the doctor. So in some tools we call it communication, in some tools we will call it as association. Then your receptionist is going to prepare a medical bill. It is going to be a consultation fee. Lab fee. So all these are extents. Then the other actor that we are having is your doctor. So with the help of this system, your doctor is going to prescribe medicine. Prescribe test. Refer to guest doctor. And we will be having pharmacist, who is going to prepare medicine bill. Because your receptionist is going to collect that bill and it will be sent to the receptionist. Then we are having lab. So your lab in charge is going to upload the lab report so that the doctor can view the report, as well as prepare lab bill, or we can say test, the test they have conducted, test bill. Apart from the lab in charge, we are having accounts department, who is going to maintain the staff salary, with the help of this system. They are going to maintain their staff salary, hospital staff salary, and we are having inventory department, so your inventory department is going to manage and update equipment and medicine inventory stock. And here we are having one more actor, who is your system clock, or we also call it as a timer. We also name it as a timer. So whenever your patient is going to enter your patient details, you will be getting a patient ID. So that patient ID is going to be generated by the system. So that we are going to show with the help of timer. Generate patient ID. And at the same time, whenever the stock is less in the inventory, it is going to update, send alert for the less inventory. So this is your electronic health record maintenance system, where the receptionist is going to enter patient details based on the purpose of visit. Then the receptionist is going to allocate doctor, allocate the room based on the doctor's advice. Then your receptionist is going to perform patient discharge formalities. Then she is going to prepare the medical bill, and the consultation fee, lab fee, medical bill, medicine bill is going to be included. Then your doctor is going to prescribe medicine, prescribe tests, and refer to the guest doctor. Your pharma in charge will prepare a medicine bill. Your lab in charge will upload the lab reports and prepare the test bills. Your accounts department will maintain the staff salary. Your inventory department will manage and update the equipments and the medicine stock in the inventory. And your timer is going to generate patient ID and send less inventory alert. So this is all about your UML use case diagram based on a case study. The explanation has been given to you. In the next awareness session, we will be discussing the usage of use case journalization, actor journalization, extends and includes in the use case diagram, as well as we will discuss use case specification document. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here and for being a part of this free online awareness session on UML use case diagrams. Thank you.